Well, all this history has got me hungry. I know anything makes me hungry. But this time, there's even some historical significance to our food stop. Some mucho delicioso history. Today, we're having barbecue. But instead of brisket, how about some cachete? And instead of sausage, how about lengua? Because that's how they do it here at Vera's. And here's owner Mondo Vera.
It started back in 1955.
Okay.
So it's the traditional Mexican barbecue.
Okay.
You know, out on the ranches, you don't have ovens, you don't have anything. And so that's what the ranchers do. They make a hole in the ground.
Okay.
They put fire on there. And then they wrap that beef in and they put it in there and they put other meats in there. You know, but that's originally where it came from Mexico.
This is authentic Mexican barbecue. A full cow head, as in one cabeza de vaca, cooked the authentic way, in the ground. This is actually kind of terrifying. It reminds me of something from like Dante's Inferno, like the gateway to Hades.
There you go. You know.
Ah!
You know.
Wow, it's so beautiful. I'm crying. It's just so beautiful.
The smoke.
I've never seen anything like this.
Really? Yeah.
No, never. Meat, fire, and a hole in the ground. Barbecue doesn't get much simpler, but at the same time, much harder. Which is why Mondo is very likely the only restaurant left in the U.S. doing it this way.
Takes a good 10 to 12 hours.
10 to 12 hours for the head to cook. Thank you for keeping this alive. Because this is a lot of culinary traditions, they're too hard, so people just abandon them.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it gives it a different taste.
Okay, and you hadn't had any cooks fall in there yet?
Not yet.
Okay, yeah.
And that's what I tell my wife. They're probably going to bury me there when I die. Because, I mean, I don't know. I'm probably going to be here until I die, you know.
Lucky for us, Mondo just pulled a fresh head out of the fire. Wow, so we got a head upside down. We're seeing the jawbones here. We got the teeth there. Was there a point where you're like, that's strange?
No, I guess because I was born into it.
Okay,
you know?
yeah, right. It was like just family tradition.
Right. This is the cheek meat right here, cachete.
Oh, we got the cachete, the cheek meat, and then look at this, guys, right there.
It's a lengua.
The lengua. Ooh, it looks like it's gotten a little crispy around
yeah,
the
it's a little
sides,
bit crispy there. That's what tastes the best.
Kind of the burnt ends there.
Yeah. Now right here, let's see if I can take it out. This is the eyeball. So you just take the pupil out. Yeah, the ojo. You take the pupil out because that's not edible.
Okay.
And that you can eat.
You can eat this whole thing?
You can eat that, yeah. Yeah, and that's the first thing that we sell out on.
Come look, Daniel.
Chet was telling me he wants to eat the whole.
What's that?
The whole thing. Chet wants to eat the whole thing.
Was I saying that?
Yeah,
because
you
I don't
said that.
remember
You
saying
told
that.
me.
What's that?
I don't exactly remember saying that.
The eyeball.
You want to eat the ojo? Let me get you a tray.
Okay, here we go.
How do you there you go.
That's a little ambitious for me.
You want to try some salsa?
Sure. Guys, this is my first ojo.
There you go.
You come down here, you're guaranteed to do things that you've never done before in life.
Especially eat at night.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Extra juicy like
There you go.
Excellent flavor. It's got all the smoke in it. I mean, it's very fatty. Like, woo! That's a first for me.
There you go. You're gonna
Yes.
remember me
I
every time
will,
you see
every
an
time
ojo.
I see-
Every time you see a cow, you're gonna remember me now.
Every time I lock eyes with a cow. I never knew there were this many parts to a cow head, or that they all tasted so different. All right, cachete on one side,
Sweetbreads mollejas
sweetbreads
on the other.
Oh man,
Good.
that was awesome. That's awesome.
And it's that pit back there. It's a pit. That's
Well.
where the magic happens. You know, 'cause we don't put any salt, we don't put any stuff in there. No spices, nothing.
I mean, I got even more respect for what you do.
There you go.
I mean, for
No,
real.
it's
But you're working with wood, fire, and meat.
and work.
And yeah, and
lot of
love, right? I
Yeah.
mean, you gotta love.
I
you
love
gotta
it. I mean,
this.
it's in the blood. I love it.
Yeah.
I got a passion for it, so.
Yeah, it clearly shows. Woo! Hey, thank you.
You bet.
Thank you.
Have a good one, yeah.
Yeah.
Come back and see us.
My
whenever
first
you're here.
ojo. You never forget the first time.
I don't know. It's gonna be, maybe you should put it under the pillow like your tooth fairy, you know? Maybe you got something
What's
there.
gonna come? I'm gonna get a skeleton cow
There
coming
you
to visit
go.
me? I don't think I want that.
Something that'll wake you up.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com. Or here's some other videos you may like. Vaya con Dios, amigos.